ABS brakes, HD security system, and cruise control all come standard on this 2016 Road Glide Ultra. Mysterious red sunglow with Velocity red sunglow.
Reflex ABS with linked brakes comes standard. The front and back brake are linked together. If you apply too much pressure to the front or back brake, the system keeps that wheel from locking up while automatically applying pressure to the other wheel. This provides faster stopping power for all levels of riders. Triple split stream vents alter the air pressure behind the fairing to significantly reduce head buffeting. The fairing maintains a comfortable airflow around the rider, improves the listening quality of the sound system, and directs cooling air to powertrain components. The frame-mounted fairing reduces weight on the forks and handlebars. Big twin cam 103 high output engine.
2016 Road Glide Ultra. Mysterious red sunglow with Velocity red sunglow.